Asterisk dead battery. Middle of nowhere. You need a jump, but no one's coming. Unless you have one of these. I tested 20 plus portable jump starters of 2026. Only 5 survived. The number one will blow your mind. All product links are in the description. Let's go. Asterisk. Number 1. Audew Epower-155. This portable jump starter from Audew, the Audew Epower-155, $160, is powerful enough to start a 9L gas engine or 7L diesel engine. Moreover, it also doubles as a power supply and emergency flashlight. The Audew 3000A can jumpstart 12-volt cars, RVs, motorcycles, speedboats, tractors, and more. On a single full charge, it can start a vehicle battery up to 80 times. When not in use, the Audew will go into standby mode and can hold its charge for up to 12 months. It also has LED bars that show the remaining power, so you know how much juice you have left. The LED light offers up a flashlight, strobe, and SOS functions, too. Conveniently, it weighs less than 3 pounds and is compact enough that it can be stored just about anywhere in your car. If you incorrectly attach the jump leads to your car's battery, the jump starter will automatically notify you of the issue with an audible buzz and flashing lights. Every Epower-155 comes with battery terminal cables, USB-A and USB-B cables, and a carrying case. Using the included USB cables, you can quickly charge your cell phone or tablet. The kicker? This bank dishes out a 24-month standby. Number 2. NOCO Boost Plus GB40 Portable Lithium Jumpstarter. Loaded with the goods, the NOCO GB40, $125, is a 12-volt lithium-powered jumpstarter that comes with heavy-duty battery clamps, a micro-USB charging cable, a 12-volt car charger, and a microfiber storage bag. It can jumpstart gasoline engines up to 6.0L and diesel engines up to 3.0L. In terms of safety, this jumpstarter comes equipped with spark-proof and reverse polarity protection. While the NOCO has a capacity of 10,800 mAh capacity, the Clore Automotive JNC 660 portable car jumpstarter costs about the same and has a 22,000 mAh capacity, as well as a peak power of 1,700 amps. But the NOCO has nice accessories that come along with the package. On top of this being an incredibly powerful portable car jumpstarter, it also doubles as a portable power bank and LED flashlight. It can charge any USB device and has a 100-lumen LED flashlight with 6 modes, including SOS and an emergency strobe. When it comes to prepping for rugged adventures, the NOCO GB40 is a perfect match. It is designed to operate safely in any climate and has a water-resistant enclosure. Also, the rubberized molding of the GB40 protects it from scratching your vehicle. Weighing less than 2.5 pounds, it is highly portable and easy to store. The GB40 Jumpstarter comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Number 3. Teluxe TE01 Portable Jumpstarter / Tire Inflator. Need to air up your tires, too? The Teluxe TE01 6-in-1, $110, emergency jumpstarter and power supply features an integrated air compressor for airing up tires quickly. Most 12-volt portable air compressors are pretty slow. The cordless digital high-capacity air pump built into the Teluxe will swiftly inflate tires to 20 psi in about 3 minutes. The unit has max tire pressure detection, preset stopping values, and unit switching, SI, bar, SPA, kg/cm superscript 2, in addition to a max pressure of 120 psi. This 2,500 amp device can safely jumpstart any 12-volt vehicle with a gas engine up to 8.5 L in seconds. The 8 built-in safety features are designed to protect against overheating and reverse polarity. As an added safety measure, the unit won't power on unless it is correctly attached to the battery. This starter has a 400-lumen LED flashlight, strobe, and SOS modes. The 18,000 mAh power bank is good for about 50 jump starts on a single charge, or numerous recharges of mobile devices. If you're looking for a jump starter with all the bells and whistles, the TE01 6-in-1 is smart and loaded with extra features. Number 4. GOOLOO GP3000 Portable Car Jumpstarter. You can jumpstart your car, motorcycle, RV, truck, boat, or even a tractor with this top-quality portable jumpstarter from GOOLOO. The LED light on GOOLOO GP3000, $100, has 3 modes: flashlight, strobe light, and SOS light. Along with the Jumpstarter, you'll get a 12-volt battery charger, a wall charger, a USB-C cable, a storage case, and a user manual. Besides being a highly effective and quick Jumpstarter, it also supports USB Type-C charging and can serve as a mobile power bank. The quick charge USB ports can rapidly charge any device on the go, a great option if you frequently need to charge your smartphone or laptop in transit. The included jumper clamps are designed with safety in mind with 8 protections. That includes overload, overvoltage, and reverse polarity protection, all in the GP3000. Thanks to the lithium polymer battery, you get a Jumpstarter that retains its charge well while still being lightweight and portable. Number 5. Clore Automotive JNC 660 Portable Car Jumpstarter. Just glorious. The Clore Automotive JNC 660, $128, is a powerful portable car Jumpstarter. The device is capable of 1,700 peak amps and 425 cranking amps, making it more than powerful enough for jumpstarting most vehicles. The 46-inch heavy-duty AWG cables wrap neatly on each side of the unit. In addition to being a Jumpstarter, this device also serves as a power supply. If you opt to store it in your garage, you can just keep it plugged in and ready for use. It is recommended that you store the JNC 660 at room temperature whenever possible. On this device, you'll find a voltmeter to monitor the onboard battery. The heavy-duty case and industrial-grade hot jaw clamps on the JNC 660 are designed to hold up well to years of use. With that, it's on the heavier side, weighing in at 18 pounds. In addition, it has a 12-volt power outlet used to charge other devices. That's the list. Any of these will save you. Links for every product, down below. Like if you never want to be stranded. Share with a driver you love. Subscribe for more 2026 survival gear. Don't wait till you're stuck, go check the description now.